Have you ever pondered on how to manage your money effectively? Well, imagine the journey of a fifth grader named Timmy. One sunny afternoon, Timmy received his first allowance. His eyes sparkled as he held the crisp notes. But Timmy wondered, how do I spend this wisely? Enter the 50-30-20 rule, a simple yet effective method to manage finances. This rule suggests dividing your income into 3 categories: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings. Picture this. Timmy's allowance is a pie. The biggest slice, 50%, goes to needs. These are the things that Timmy can't do without, like school supplies or lunch money. This slice ensures that Timmy meets his basic necessities without fail. Next comes the 30% slice. This slice is for wants. Wants are the things that make life enjoyable but aren't absolutely necessary. For Timmy, this could be the latest comic book or a new video game. By allocating only 30% of his allowance to wants, Timmy learns the value of treating himself without going overboard. The final slice, the 20%, is for savings. This is the portion that Timmy tucks away for the future. Whether it's a new bike he's been eyeing or an unforeseen expense, this slice gives Timmy a financial safety net. But what makes the 50-30-20 rule so beneficial? Firstly, it promotes a balanced lifestyle. While Timmy ensures he's not going without, he's also not splurging unnecessarily. Secondly, it encourages financial responsibility from an early age. Timmy learns the importance of saving and planning for the future. Lastly, it offers flexibility. As Timmy grows and his financial situation changes, he can adjust his percentages accordingly. Remember, the 50-30-20 rule is not just for fifth graders like Timmy. Whether you're a student with a part-time job or a full-time employee, this rule can guide you in managing your finances effectively. So, the next time you receive your allowance or paycheck, think of Timmy and his pie. Divide your income into needs, wants, and savings. You'll be surprised how far your money can go when you manage it wisely. With the 50-30-20 rule, you hold the power to control your financial future. And that, my friends, is the secret to managing money effectively.